Muscle cars, hot rods, and tantalizing dams coming up. Luscious babe here in 1929 Cadillac 341V dual cal sport Phaeton. Wowzer, here's a nice gal in 1939 Packard stretch limousine that will accommodate 6. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. Therefore, I am now accepting $1 cash donations or more if you're comfortable with it. Please, no checks. Please send your donation to the address listed. Thank you for your support. Hubba hubba. Sweet honey here in a 2009 Gapardo. Wowzer. There's a sizzling grill on a 2019 Ford GT. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.